Hello all, welcome back to another video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this card. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is going to be my card front. This is going to be my base right here, and this one print on glossy paper, so it's so glossy. Some of these print on regular cardstock and some on glossy papers, so we all will see what I'm going to do. Here's the back part, and I'm going to have to cover up that side. So I got my scraps right here, and I got all my cutouts. I don't know if I'm going to use these leaves, but let's see. But the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to color the back part of it with some food coloring. I got these food coloring and I bought a while back and didn't use them, so I saw this video on YouTube. Somebody was using food coloring to color cardstock, so I'll see how it goes. I got cutouts on, and I have these one on the back side. So right here, just spray some water in a spray bottle. So guys, at this point the food coloring caught my finger and I was trying to get off the color onto the butterflies, and I tried to use my finger to tap the paintbrush, but it wasn't working, so I started to paint it, and then I used my spray bottle to sprinkle on the food coloring on the butterflies. Brush is too thick, so it's thicker. Take my spritz. Okay, I'm gonna get a small piece of paper. Let this dry while they dry. See how it look. Let's put them on the floor to dry. And then I get a piece of scrap. This can be a scrap. Can do something with this. There you go. Can do something. I'm just gonna clean it. Get some water. So this piece of paper, I already cut it, scored it. So right here is 6 by 2.5, and then right here you're gonna score 1/2 inch, 1.5, 3, and 4.5 E, and then you're gonna have some V-like shape. Just turn it here. It's supposed to be like this. Let me snip off right here first. Okay, there you go. They're gonna be like this. This one go in, out, back, forward, and then back. There you go. I'm gonna close like this. Make it orange. I'm adding my double-sided tape. So there's the pocket. The notes. It's matting. Now this part. Put one here. This one right here. So I'm just placing down some double side tapes on the flaps and tape it down on the card. Hopefully it's in the middle. There you go. So these seem like they are dried now. Butterflies so bradsy. And this is the regular cardstock one, which I messed up. I need to cut those out. The regular cardstock and this is the glossy. You see, shiny, the glossy photo paper. I think I like this one better, but I think it's fine. Alrighty, so these two. Oh, my those two over there. I didn't get them. Oh, that's okay. So I'm gonna put these on. So right here, I'm just adding my paper strips and then placing the butterflies on them. Yeah, but this one is ready to glue in. And front. See here, flap flap. So right now I'm just doing the outside portion of my card. And then this is gonna go in the middle. This one on the side. Since this is pop-up card inside, I won't pop up anything on the outside portion. It's kind of hard to glue these down. So this is what the on-camera version look like, and I'm going to add my sediment and finish the inside portion. Then let me open it to show you guys. It's gonna be like this, and I'm gonna add some more butterflies to it. This is not enough, but I think I like it so far. Close, open. You always see it. You're gonna finish the back, front, right, and then close. So guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, even though it was long and probably hard for some of you guys. But remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I shall see you guys in another video. Peace. I'm out.